Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming units because scale only makes sense against a known unit. Open the Layout tab and set paper size now. Next, create a rectangular viewport and select it. You must unlock viewport scale if locked so you can change it. Once done, switch to model space inside the viewport by double-clicking. This lets you pan and zoom the model independently. Make sure view is roughly framed where you want the final print to focus. Then proceed to set the exact scale. With the viewport active, use the scale control on the status bar or the viewport properties to pick the exact scale. Choose a standard ratio like 1:10 or type a custom factor. This is the only reliable way to change drawing to paper ratio because it directly maps model units to paper units. Once set, toggle annotative objects so text and dimensions update automatically. Otherwise, rescale annotation layers manually. Make sure to pan so the content is centered at the chosen scale before locking the viewport. Finish by locking the viewport scale to prevent accidental adjustments. Select Viewport, set Display Lock to Yes. Then run Region or Regional to refresh annotation and line weights so everything matches the chosen ratio. Preview the plot using Plot Scale 1 because the viewport already defines the model-to-paper relationship. Make sure paper size matches your layout. If the result looks wrong, unlock, verify units and viewport scale again. Then check annotative settings. This single check fixes most scale issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.